How to make money on Upwork as a lifestyle blogger. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a profile which will allow you to make money on this profile, on this platform. So let's get started by creating our account. So here, make sure to join as a freelancer looking for work. Click on apply as a freelancer. Then you fill the usual information, first name, last name, and so on. And after you're done, click on create my account. For me, I'm just going to log in. I've already created my account. So here, enter the email and then the password. Then you will proceed to setting up your profile. And this is the first, or this is the last step of setting up the profile. So let's go back to start from the first step, to start from the beginning. So here, this is the first step. So let's get started. And here you have a question and you have 3 answers. Choose the answer that fits your situation. Then next, same with this other question. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? You can choose the question the answer that fits your situation. And for these options, make sure to choose them all. They will all help us. Even the third one. Then click on next to create a profile. So here you have 3 options to choose from. You can either import your profile from LinkedIn, or you can upload your resume from your desktop if you have it in a PDF file, or you can fill it out manually. It will take less than 15 minutes. So let's go with filling it out manually. Click on start a new profile. And here enter your skill, which is lifestyle blogger. Then click on next to add your experience. And here, let's add the previous work experience. And then same thing with education. Just click on the plus button to add your education history. And then you proceed to add in the languages that you can speak and write. So English is a must. You can't work in this platform without English. And here you choose your level in that language. For me, my level in English is conversational. And I'm going to add 2 more languages, my native language and the language I studied in school. So Arabic is my native, and French is the one I studied in school. So here my level in Arabic is native, and my level in French is still basic. Then click on next to add your skills. So here you can enter your skills, and they've suggested some skills for us like lifestyle, blog commenting, blog writing, blog development, blog content, and blog. And here, as you can see, the maximum is 15 skills. So there is enough room for a lot of skills, as you can see. Then click on next to write an overview. So here, write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. And this is an example of a bio, a small text and some bullet points. And guys, in order to enter a good bio for your profile, just go to ChatGPT, enter, I'm a lifestyle blogger, give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and you will get a very good bio. You will just need to add some personal information and to make some adjustments to it if there is any mistakes. So just make sure to verify it. Then you can copy and paste it into your bio. For me, I'm going to take Marty's bio. I don't want to go to ChatGPT. That will make the video very long. So it's just enter Marty's bio, then click on next to choose your categories. So they've already suggested a service for us, which is content creating or content writing. Let's choose that, then click on next to set your rate. So here, let's go with $20 per hour. then click on next to add your photo and location. So here you can add the date of birth and the usual address information. Then you can upload your picture. So guys, make sure to show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So keep that in mind. And after you're done with creating your profile, this is how you're going to improve it. So I'm just going to log out to show you how you can improve your profile. So the idea is that, guys, we're going to search for our competitors, the people that are doing the same skill as us, as we do, and we're going to see the highest earner amongst them, and we're going to spy on his profile, see what is he doing in his profile, how much is he getting paid, or how much is his rate, how is he interacting with his clients, and how is he describing his skill in his bio, and all of that. So here we have the first one, which is 20 grand. Let's see if we can find something more. 100 grand, 70, 20. Let's check the second page. 20, 60, 80, more than 100, and she's getting $35 per hour. This one earned more than $200,000. So this is the one that is the highest earner in this category. So we're going to spy on her profile, see how much is she earning, how she described her skill in her bio, the skills that she is doing, and all of that. And guys, if you want to find work easily in this profile, you will just need to go to find work and click on find work for your skills, and go down, go to this search box and enter your skill, and you will see all of the listed jobs that are looking for the same skill like the one you offer, and you can apply for them then. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.